Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ibotta how to link loyalty card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Linking your loyalty card to Ibotta allows you to earn cashbacks automatically without uploading receipts. In order to do it, what you need to do first is head over and then open up your Ibotta app and then tap on the login on the top left corner of the screen. Then once you are here, simply log in with your account, and then once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon on the top left, and then once you are there, select link accounts from the options, then search for your store, example Walmart, Kroger or Safeway, then enter your loyalty card number or sign in with your store account. Then lastly, save and confirm the link. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.